In the previous session on the course of estimating and costing, we have studied how to calculate the detailed quantity of few of the civil engineering work. In this session, we are going to study how to take off the quantities for trapezoidal footing. Trapezoidal footing is one of the common civil engineering item, and it is important to know how to calculate the quantity of trapezoidal footing. The quantity of trapezoidal footing is calculated based on the principle of frustum of cone, and the volume of frustum of pyramid is calculated using the equation V equal to h by 3 into a1 plus a2 plus under root a1 into a2. A1 is the area of the upper base, a2 is the area at the bottom base, and h is the height between the two bases. In order to calculate the quantity of a trapezoidal footing, we'll consider an example. It has been given a footing which supports a column. Column has a width of 230 mm and height of 450 mm. The width of the footing is 1.5 by 1.8 meter, and we need to calculate the quantity in trapezoidal zone. This plus so the volume of trapezoidal footing is equal to volume of truncated pyramid, that is this much portion, plus volume of rectangular cuboid. So first of all, we'll calculate the volume of truncated pyramid based on the principle of frustum of pyramid. Thereafter, we'll calculate the volume of rectangular cuboid and we'll add up this so as to get the volume of trapezoidal footing. So volume of truncated pyramid is calculated using the equation V equal to h by 3 into a1 plus a2 plus under root a1 into a1 a1 into a2, where a2 is the top area, a1 is the bottom area, h is the height between this. So we'll calculate first a1 and a2. a1 is equal to 1.2 into 1.5, that is the bottom area here, which comes out to be 1.8 square meter. Similarly, A2 is equal to area at the top face, which is equal to the width of the column plus the offset. Offsets are 75 mm on each side. So the width of the column is 230 mm, which is equal to 0.23 plus 2 into 0.075, which is the offset, into 0.45. As it is a rectangular column, the another side of this column is 450 mm, which is written as 0.45 meter plus 2 into 0.075 mm. So the area at the top face is 0.228 meter square, and the height of this, the distance between these two area is 230 mm. So I'll substitute the value of a1, a2 and h in equation v equal to h by 3 into a1 plus a2 plus under root a1 into a2, and get the volume of the truncated pyramid as 0.205 meter cube. Similarly, now I'll calculate the volume of a rectangular cuboid, which is equal to area, which is equal to 1.2 into 1.5 meter into the height, which is equal to 230 mm, equal to 0.23 meter. So the volume of the rectangular cuboid calculated is 0.14 meter cube. I'll add the volume of truncated pyramid and the volume of rectangular cuboid so as to obtain the volume of trapezoidal footing. So the volume of truncated pyramid equal to 0.205 plus volume of rectangular cuboid equal to 0.414. So the volume of trapezoidal footing is calculated as 0.619 meter cube. In this way, we calculate the volume of a trapezoidal footing. Thank you.